Hey team, I'm looking at a tankless water heater, and this is a new construction inspection. I just want to point out some of the things we see with these types of water heaters, and also a reminder that inspections are in your benefit to have if you're buying a new construction home. So this yellow line that comes in, that's a gas supply line, and we typically like to see a drip leg there, which is just basically a little stub. I'll show you the picture here. This shows what it's supposed to look like. So right here you can see the picture shows that typically you have a gas supply line that comes in and then a drip leg that drops down. That's just a little piece of metal or a little stub out that is designed to catch like rust or oil or moisture and debris and stuff like that before it goes into the burners. So most of the time we see those installed, unless there's some very rare exception, but it's at least worth having a conversation with the installer about it and making sure, just verifying that it was done correctly. Another thing is, and this is somewhat common with tankless water heaters, this is a temperature pressure relief valve. It's made to open up and let off pressure if it ever started overheating. And those drain lines are supposed to have their own dedicated drain line. Right now it's tied in with a condensate drain. And the concern there is if that valve ever opened up in an emergency, the water would potentially be coming out at a pretty high pressure. And we don't want it, back flowing up into anywhere else and causing issues. So there's just a few things to keep an eye out for and keep in mind. Again, always a good idea to get an inspection on new construction.